Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share. I did some resin pouring and I'm about to unveil all or unpeel my molds. I don't know what it's called, but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm telling you, I have tons of them. I was playing last night because I haven't played with my resin for a while, and I had gotten a whole bunch of new molds, like molds up my booty. So many molds, but so much fun. So I poured them last night. Some of them, they're not ready. I know which ones aren't ready because they can bend, so they still need time to cure. Some of them I can take out and they can cure outside the mold, but let's see. Okay, this one seems good. So this is some Mickey ears. Yeah, look at how those came out. Like them? So I'll just have to float the top a little to smooth it out. Love it. I can add a name sticker. And then it's a keychain. So that one peeled good. Look at my castle. And I'm not sure where I got these molds from. I did do another unmolding of some molds that I got from BB Craft, but those would be specified that they're BB Craft molds. So I just need to do some cleanup here. Just a little filing, but yeah, the castle came out good. Maybe I should clear out the middle so that there's a white space. And yeah, that's better, huh? Came out good. This manta ray from Moana, or that's what I'm using it for. Oh, his tail came out good. I don't see any bubbles. I do have issues though, like see how you can see white, like the glitter that I used didn't cover the whole thing. It almost looks lacy, this glitter. It's not showing up on well, I guess it is, but yeah, this is my manta ray, stingray, whatever you call them. Here's some little stitch earrings, but I don't know about earrings. Maybe little keychains. I don't know if I can hang these dangling things off of my ears. They're they got a good size to them. Whoops. So there's the stitch earrings. Here's a bigger size. I think those were the small. These are the medium size earrings, which are kind of big. I don't know about medium. So yeah. Stitchy. Whoops. Oh, and I got one for Arizona. This one came out good. It's got some gold Mickey heads mixed in with the green glitter. Here's a cactus. And this one has some Mickey heads in it as well. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. Honey, you so pretty. You know my boyfriend, honey. I've done these before. This is one of my original molds I've started learning resin with. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through. I've got lots more to open, so I'll just run some music, speed up the video. Enjoy. I'll be back at the end. That's all my unmolding. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.